Hello, good day viewers. Welcome to another mathematics presentation. So we are continuing answering our 2018 mathematics paper 1 for external candidates. So we did our first part where we answered from question 1 up to 11. So we are just going to answer question 12 and question 13. So our question 12a reads, the diagram below shows a sector A or B of a circle with center O and the radius 7 centimeter. The area of the sector is 25 or number 2 over 3 square centimeter. Take pi to be 22 over 7. So this is the sector that you have. Okay, so they have given you the radius, which is 7 centimeter, even here the same. So they want us to calculate A or B. Calculate A or B, meaning that they want an angle which is right here. So to find this angle, we need to come up with the formula to use when calculating the area of the sector, which is area is equal to theta divided by 360 degrees times pi r squared. So this is the formula. Now you can see area you have been given, then the radius you have, the pi you have. So they want to find the value of the theta. So let's just substitute. Where there is area, we'll put this. Now this is a fraction. We can make it as this is a mixed fraction. We can make it as an improper fraction. So 25 times 3 to be 75. 75 plus 2, we are going to get 77 over a 3. So where there is this area, I've put this area equal to theta times the pi, okay, is 22 over 7 times the radius is 7 times 7, because they said r squared, so it's going to be 7 squared. So I've just written 7 times 7. So this pi will be divided by the 360 degrees. Now from there you can try to reduce. So you can reduce 7 here 1, 7 there 1. You can reduce. Then here you say 2 here, it's 11. 2 into 360, it's 180 degrees. So this is what you have gotten. You are going to write 77 over 3 is equal to pi times 11 times 7. So 11 times 7 divided by 108 degrees. So from this point now, when we cross multiply like this, we are going to have 3 times pi times 11 times 7. So we are going to have theta times 11 times 7 times 3 equal to 77 times 180 degrees. So here, don't multiply this and this, because this is paper 1, and if you multiply, you're going to get bigger values. So you need to do this. So from here, what are we going to do? So from this point, this is what we are going to do. We are going to say we have theta times 11 times 7 times 3 equal to 77 times 108 degrees. We need to find the value of theta. So I'll divide both sides by 11 times 7, okay, times 3. Even here, 11 times 7 times 3. So what we can do here is this. We can cancel this 11, 7, the 3, so that you remain with theta equal to. So here, what you are going to do is this. When you cancel 7 here, it's a 1. 7 into 7, 7, it's 11. So this 11 and this 11 will cancel. 11 here 1, 11 here 1. Okay, so we have 180 over 3. 3 here 1, 3 into 18, it's a 6. So this 6 and the 0 have a 60 degrees. So theta is equal to 60 degrees. So that was the value of theta. We have answered. So we can now come and answer our second question, which is this question B right here. Ngwezi invested 14,500 kwacha in a business firm. The condition was that if she left her shares in the firm for 12 months, a profit of 5% would be added to her shares. How much will she get at the end of 12 months? So this person invested 14,500 kwacha in a business. So if she decides to leave the business, only the 5% profit will be given to her initial investment. Okay, so in order for us to find how much she will get at the end of 12 months, we need to find the 5% of her shares. Okay, so first we find 5% of her shares, then we add it with the principal amount that she invested in the business. So we are going to say we'll get this 14. So we'll say we'll get 14,500 plus the 5%. So the 5% will get 5 over 100 times the initial amount that she invested, which is 14,500 kwacha. So we can cancel 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so remain with 14,500 plus, so 5 times 145. So 5 times this 5 is a 25. We get a 5, you carry a 2. 5 times 4, it's a 20. So 5 times 4 is a 20 plus 2, it's a 22. Write a 2, you carry a 2. 5 times 1, it's a 5, plus a 2. You're going to have a 7. So the 5% of this amount is 725 kwacha. Then add it with this. So we are adding 14,500 plus 725 kwacha. So this plus this, it's a 5. This plus this is a 2. 5 plus 7. This will give us 12. So write 2, we carry 1. 14 plus nothing is 14 plus that one to be a 15. So the amount that this person will get was 15,000 kwacha 225. So these were the answers. So we can just write here the angle, we said theta is equal to 60 degrees. Then here Ngwezi will get 15,225 kwacha, okay, at the end of 12 months. So we have answered our question 12. Let us now answer our question 13. Alright, so we now come to our question 13 right here. The question reads, the diagram below shows a circle with a tangent RWS. The points V, W, X, and Y are on the circle such that XWY is equal to 44, VWY is equal to 54, and SWV is equal to 39. So this is the diagram that is showing the circle, and RWS is the tangent to the circle. So we have an angle at Y, we have an angle here. Now, before we even look at the questions, so let's try to find some of the easiest angles that we can find. Okay, just using some of the properties of the circle. So here we have a 44 degrees. So even right here, you are going to have a 44 degrees because angles in the same segment. Okay, so if here you have a 44 degrees, then the angle which will be right here will also be a 44 degrees, which is angles in the alternate segment. Then we come here, we have a 54. So even here, we are also going to have a 54 degrees angles in the alternate segment, this one and this one. So if you have a 39 here, even here are going to have a 39 degrees angles in the alternate segment. So we have found these angles. Now we can look at the questions. So these are the questions. The first one is calculate RWX. They want an angle at W, RWX. So RWX. So we have said this angle is a 44 degrees. Okay. Then the second one is calculate XVW. 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 The angle which is right here. Okay. So you can see you also have a 44 right there. So even here it's a 44 degrees. Then we come to this one, the last one. Calculate YXW. YXW, meaning that they want this whole angle right here. Okay. So this whole angle, just add this and this. So we are going to add 39 degrees plus a 54. 39 degrees plus a 54 degrees. So 9 plus 4, this will give us 13. We write 3. 5 plus 3, it's 8. Plus that one, 9. So this will give us a 93 degrees. So our answers, we have found that we have the first angle is a 44 degrees. Again, the second one is also a 44 degrees. The last one, it's a 93 degrees. So we've come to the end of our lesson. So we have just answered question 12 and 13. There are other questions that are remaining, then we finish the paper. So stay glued to the channel, looking for more uploads to come. Thank you so much, everybody. Once again, we've come to the end of our session. This has been your presenter, Mr. Mlenga. Bye-bye.